Okay, I have my 2011 lines, and yep, this is uploaded on December 8th, 2012. But I'm just gonna show you my 2011 lines, the ones without the 3 train on all those new trains. Plus, I don't have the A train, but soon for Christmas I will have the A train to complete the collection of the 2011. Actually, part of 2009, I believe, but it's a part of when the new train didn't exist, though. Okay, so I have all those lines that need to be completed. I'm gonna speed them up. But I'm not going to show you the looping terminal set because I don't want to take everything out. And I don't want to show you the merchant marks on the Long Island because they're not complete. I'm just showing the subways without the terminal set and with the real sets of the MTA New York City subway. But I didn't got the others. So, we have 1, 2, and 2 trains. Also, and then local, then National Express. I explained what model in the last episode, so you should get it now. The 4 and the 6 trains, Green Avenue Express and Lexington Avenue Local. The 7 train, the Flushing Local. The C train, because this is my only 8th Avenue line, but it's in the 2. So, 8th Avenue Local. The D and the F train, 6th Avenue Local, and the 6th Avenue Express, 6th Avenue Express and 6th Avenue Local. The J and the M trains, Nausea Street Express and the Nausea Street Local. But now they have the new M train. And then they have and then the R train, Broadway Express and Broadway Local. But the N train is now Broadway Local because the R went Whitehall Local, and then the N train went because W was discontinued. The Q ran Express because for one reason the W was discontinued, and the N train was replacing the local line. And I didn't get the looping terminal set. I got the looping terminal set on this one. The S trains, the Second Street Shuttle. And yep, that's it. Now to my new trains, which are in the room. I don't want to show you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you want.